Hello, this is Sherwin from MultiSoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Innovation makes our life easy. One of the features of your MLM software that make it easy to do business is the QR code. Let me show you how you could set this up on your MLM software. First, we need to log on to your website as an administrator. Okay, then click on Company on the admin menu bar. Go to Modules and then click on QR code generator. Okay, once you're there, okay, you would notice that there are three options to choose from for you to use the QR code. Okay, under data type, there's replicated site. Okay, wherein you'll be able to use the QR code here on the right. Once you go to your replicated site, you just have to put in here or key in here the link to that replicated site. Okay, another option is for products, wherein it would go directly to a website, or not actually to a website, but to a link that goes or that points to a product. So what I'm going to do here is select product and then select the category. I'll click on all and then I'll click on products. I'll click on this cosmetic eyeshadow here. As you can see, there's a link there automatically populated. And you would notice that the QR code would actually change because one QR code is assigned to one product or one link. There's another option here for shopping cart where I need to go directly to the shopping cart. As you can see, the link is automatically populated and the QR code also changes. All right. Now, there are options to choose what color the QR code would use. Okay. For ground color, let me select just this one and I'm gonna use that one. All right. So you could actually modify the color of your QR code. Okay. Now there's another button here for download QR code, and if you click on it, it would download that QR code, and you would be able to attach it to an email. You just have to put in here the email address where you want to send it to, the subject line, signature, and then the body. Then click on send email. All right. So just a brief history for QR code. QR means quick response. It's the trademark name for the two-dimensional barcode system. It was originally invented in 1994 by Denso Wave, a Toyota subsidiary, as a way to track vehicles as they were assembled and to scan components at high speeds. All right. So please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support teams in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one trainings with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a MultiSoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.